Hey everyone, welcome back to LMTN Trendy Invention. Wishing you a joyful, energetic, and lucky day ahead. Today I'm going to share a DIY project that's super useful for your home. It's honestly an amazing little invention, so make sure to watch the whole video to see how it works. This project started with a handful of bike parts. Most people would overlook a sprocket, an old chain, a few stubborn bolts. But once I saw how they fit together, I couldn't unsee it. There's something hidden in plain sight here. Keep watching. It might surprise you. Not everything useful has to look high-tech. Sometimes, the smartest solutions are built from what we already have, if we're just willing to look twice. This one took me by surprise. Maybe it will do the same for you. Leave a comment if you think you know where this is going. You ever look at old bike parts and wonder what else they could become? I didn't plan on building this. The idea just kept pulling me back. It's not perfect, but it solves a problem I didn't know how to fix before. Would you have tried this combination? It doesn't look like much right now, but give it a few turns, a couple of tweaks, and this pile of parts might just turn into something surprisingly practical. Sometimes, you don't need to buy a new tool. You just need to see the old parts differently. This isn't about saving money. It's about building something with your own hands. Something that wasn't there yesterday. That feeling when the gears line up perfectly. That's why I keep doing this. And if you've ever felt that too, this project's for you. I started this just to see if it would work. Somewhere between the first bolt and the last weld, I realized I was building something I actually needed. Isn't it funny how solving problems sometimes sneaks up on you like that? What if the best tools are the ones you can't buy? The ones you can only make, slowly, with trial and error. This might not belong on a store shelf, but in the right hands, it gets the job done. Building this took less time than I expected, but way more thinking than I planned for. The tricky part wasn't welding. It was figuring out how to make things move right. That's the kind of problem I enjoy solving. What about you? A few bolts, an old chain, and one unexpected idea. That's all it took to get this working. I didn't think it would work either, to be honest. But now that it does, I can't stop thinking about what else I could try. If you're still watching, you probably see what I see. Not just scrap, but potential. And if it sparked any ideas in your head, don't let them fade. Write them down. Start building. You never know what it'll become. The best part of this whole project, it didn't need perfection. It just needed someone to believe a weird idea was worth trying. And I did. Did you? Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Your support really means a lot to me.